I'm going to talk about Popplet. If you go to popplet.com, you can find Popplet. And what Popplet is a bunch of concept maps. If we take a look at some example Poplets over here to the side, you can see things, people have done them on the earth, and basically it's just a concept map that you can take. Obviously you can do several concept maps on there, and this obviously would help you brainstorm, help you understand things. You can do some random Poplets like this. It's just on cars. We have a cabin project going on here. Napoleon's history might be fun. So obviously this is very much cross-curricular, and you could use it for many things. So if you want to make a Popplet, you just go ahead and click in Make a Popplet. We'll just call this Popplet Training. And make it so. And we're going to pick a color. I like blue. So I'm going to make it so. And double click to make a Popplet. So obviously you can see my name is here. And I'm going to make a Popplet. And we'll just call this Education. And if I wanted to change anything up in here, I could change the color of my Popplet because I do like blue. You can do that. If I wanted to change the font of this that I have, or the size, obviously I could do that by picking different things. Might want to make it a little bit bigger. This obviously can shift it to the left. You can center it, or you can shift it over depending on how you like it. If you'd like to do some drawings in here, you could just get the little drawing and just do whatever you want. Maybe you want to make a cute little star or whatever. I'm not really much of an artist. If you wanted to put an image in here, you could do a couple things. You could obviously use YouTube. You could do Vimeo. You can add an image from Flickr. You can upload an image even from your computer if that's what you wanted to do. So let's just pick an image here. I'll do a plant cell. And I'll hit open. And it's uploading my image as we speak. So obviously education, maybe I would want to do some more Poplets. So I'm going to double click over here and call this over here animal cell. Maybe can do whatever I want. Once again, change the color of it. Maybe make this one green. Let's say I want to make another Popplet here. And there's another one there. So you kind of get the idea. You can do your Poplets however you want. You can just double click and pop them up however you want them to go. If you want to go back and edit something or type in there, you could do that. Maybe we're just doing things like just cells. So we can have animal cell, we can have blood cells, we can have all kinds of things. So that's just up to you on how you'd want to do it. I think it's kind of cool to put the picture in the middle, and then you could do your little Poplets or popples, as they say, pretty much wherever you want. You could go full screen to look at it, view them all. You could zoom it if you want to make it bigger. You can make it smaller. Obviously that is up to you and how you want to visually look at it. Might be a little bit easier to make it a little bit smaller so you can kind of see what's going on, and just do as many Poplets around it as you want. If you want to hook them in, obviously you can do that. Say I really didn't want that one. I'm going to delete this popple. Yes, I am. You can do that also. You can see how you can hook them up. Drag a link and go from there. Maybe I want to get rid of this one behind here. Do I really want to do it? Yes. So basically that's a real quick tutorial on how to do a popple or a Popplet. Have a lot of fun with it. I think the kids would like it. There's different things you can do as far as sharing. You can make it public. You can add a collaborator, and basically I could add another teacher. I could have students do this in a group, and where the collaborator would come on, it would have their names. So maybe you would assign one person to do 5 and the other person to do 5 also. You would do that. So basically, if you want to make this private, you would click private. You want to make it public, you can make it public, and show them public Poplets. That's kind of hard to say. It's a tongue twister. But anyways, it's a lot of fun. Give it a try. Obviously, it's one of those things that you are limited on some of the things that you do. So you have 5 poplets that you can do. So maybe you just show the kids how to do it and then they could create their own. It is a free source up to 5, and then after that you have to pay $3 a month. So basically, I think it would be fun to do, maybe once in your classroom, have your kids sign up and do one also, and just have some fun with a different way of looking at some ideas. And I think the kids would really enjoy it. So give Popplet a try.